Australian mining product and services. Over the years we have brought to the end user many standard and everyday products. Our objective has always been to help increase the reliability of the product, improve safety, and help reduce unscheduled maintenance. Our magnetic wear patch. High strength, high pressure resistant repair bandages. Dry and wet repair epoxies. Repair clamps. Has to date saved many millions of dollars in identified spillages or leaks that left unattended would have resulted in the EPA enforcing a mandatory process shutdown while the identified defective item was replaced. Innovative products like our ceramic, polyurethane, or CCO surfaced, magnetic backed liners deliver a huge reduction in time taken to return the plant to productive service. As well as being very cost-effective, they eliminate the use of specialist tools. Hot work permits. They contribute to personnel safety by a reduction or the complete elimination of manual handling and external scaffolding. We advise, source, and supply specialist valves, as well as valves with high abrasive wear and chemical corrosion resistance. We now bring to Australia our range of pumps with linings and spares to complement our expansion joints, fabricated and lined spools and hoses.
Australian mining product and services now offer a full range of pumps with mountings, motors, generators, and soft start consoles to our range of products offered. Linings are manufactured from wear steel, rubber or polyurethane, and readily available to fit most existing configurations with virtually no modifications needed to existing setups, and offer substantial savings in cast and lead times without sacrificing quality. You can advance to the 45-minute mark, as we now demonstrate the manufacturing process. Our sales and after-sales support teams are available to help whenever you want to. With approved components, we even stock on-site against pay-as-you-use, allowing valuable available budgets to be directed to areas that are deficient.
Australian mining product and services. Thank you for viewing this presentation. We are only a free call away and you get most of your wear requirements from one source.